welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 9. Today we're going to be dividing by 11 and 12. Yesterday we were multiplying and now today we're going to be dividing. So let's jump right in. Example 1 here says, for a field trip, 33 students went to the science museum. There were 11 microscopes. Each was used by an equal number of students in a group. How many students were in each group? So what we're trying to find here is 33 divided by 11, or 33 divided by 11. Okay, so I could use counters, 33 counters, and dividing them into 11 groups. Here's what I know. That's a lot of circles. So not too bad, I guess, if I only have to have 3 in each group. But look, 11 times what is 33? 11 times 3. So that means 33 divided by 11 is going to be 3. So there would be 3 counters in each group because 33 divided by 11 is 3. There were 3 students in each group. When you divide by 11 and 12, it is often quicker to use the inverse operation of multiplication, which is what we did. Right? It would take a long time to draw 11 groups and put however many counters into each group. So it's often easier just to think of the multiplication problem. Maurice bought 48 eggs. They were packaged in cartons of 12. How many cartons did Maurice buy? So we need to find what is 48 divided by 12. Okay, so if I think of division as a missing factor, which means multiplication, right? Problem, I'd say 12 times what is 48. Okay, so the missing factor here then would be 4. Okay, how do I know that it's 4? Well, I've got 12, 24, 36, 48, 1, 2, 3, 4 12s. So 48 divided by 12 is 4. The unknown is 4. Maurice bought 4 cartons of eggs. Okay, if we use counters to find the number in each group, if I have 44 counters, I'm dividing it into 11 equal groups. So 44 divided by 11 is going to be 4. Right? 11s are pretty easy. 12s are where they get a little tricky. I was hoping they were going to have a really awesome, besides subtracting 12. Ugh. But if you got to do what you got to do, don't you? So here we have 36 counters and 12 equal groups. So if I think of my counting by 12s, I would say 12, 24, 36, 48. 48 plus 12 would be 60, 72, right? 84, and I could be doing it over here. 12 plus 12, what's that? 24. 24 plus 12. If I don't know the multiples yet, I can just add them. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 36. Okay? So, and then, like I said always, the more we practice, the easier this is going to get. So, how many 12s go into 36? 1, 2, 3. 3 12s go into 36. I mean, we can always use repeated subtraction, right? 60 minus 12 is 48. Bring it up. 48 minus 12 is 36. Bring her up. 36 at the top. 36 minus 12 is 24. Bring it up. 24 minus 12 is 12. Bring it up. 12 minus 12 is 0. So how many 12s did I subtract here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I subtracted 5 12s. So 60 divided by 12 is 5. Lastly, we are on page 486. So if I'm thinking, what is 88 divided by 11? I could also think, well, 11 times what is 88? 11 times 8 is 88. So the unknown here is 8. Here, if I'm looking at 72 and I'm trying to divide it by 12, I can think 12 times what is 72? Well, if I'm thinking about that, I can do my multiples, right? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Okay, how many did I get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there I know that 12 times 6 is 72. Our unknown is 6. All right, so our quick brain builder here. Tim is saving to buy a new cell phone that costs $132. He already has $48. If he saves $12 each month, in how many months will he be able to purchase the phone? So first off, if I know it costs $132, I need to take away the $48 he already has. So if I'm subtracting that, then I would have 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 4, can't do that. 12 minus 4 is 8. So he still owes $84. So after I figure out how much money he owes, then I need to divide that by 12. So 84 divided by 12. I've already got this nice list going on, so if you just wrote that on your paper, it'd be really easy to just keep looking at that to see what you need to do. So 72 plus 12 is 84. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He will be able to purchase the phone in 7 months. And there we have it. Thanks for watching to the end, and make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.